Hi everyone, my name is Nur Aliza Atira binti Abdul Aziz and my metric number is DE220131, and today we are going to present about our group project, which is Lab4. First, let me introduce my group members. First, we have S05 Hasana, and then we have Shamila, and then we have me, Nur Aliza Atira, and lastly, Umi Najha. So for the introduction, MATLAB is commonly used for applied numerical analysis in engineering and computational finance and also computational biology. Students must utilize a MATLAB simulator for this project exercise, which is simulating is a block of diagram environment that may be used for deployment without writing any code, and simulation before hardware deployment, and also system design utilizing a multi-domain models. By utilizing MATLAB, students can complete their academic assignments just like us using MATLAB Simulink to complete our project Lab4. The primary goal of project Lab4 is to explain the MATLAB Simulink programming, and that we must construct an electrical circuit that will produce an output based on the input given.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is S05 Hasana binti Zakaria and my metric number is DE220091. Okay, today I'm going to explain about the methodology and the procedure that have been used in completing this group assignment. Okay, we have agreed to use Simulink and MATLAB as a medium to create a simulation to see the output voltage. Okay, as we can see here, this is the flowchart of the methodology of our project. So we're going to start with manual calculation to find out the output voltage from the electric circuit that have been given to us, and then we will go to MATLAB and run the simulation here. And then here we can compare the answer if the manual calculation and the answer of the simulation is the same. So we're going to proceed to the final report, and if not, we will troubleshoot and then compare the answer again until we get the same answer. Okay, and then I will pass to the my friends to proceed with the simulation.
Assalamualaikum and hi. Right now I will present the result for our project. Based on the electrical circuit given in figure 1, find that the circuit is a circuit with an AC voltage source combined with resistor and capacitor by using the component in the Simulink library. We need to find components such as AC voltage source, resistor, capacitor, electrical reference or ground, and voltage sensor to measure the output voltage value of the circuit to be created later. After that, we need to enter the value of the component it has been given, which is the value of resistor. Resistor is 4.7 kilo ohm. Capacitor is 47 nanofarad. And enter the value of the first variable AC voltage source. Start with 10 voltage. Phase shift 19 degrees. Frequency we are assume the value of to 25 Hz. To see the display of the output voltage value on the Simulink, we need to connect the display element and along with the scope to broadcast the AC graph signal of voltage output through the PI Simulink converter on both elements. remember that a crucial component must be at while constructing the electrical circuit in simulation so that the system may do internal computation before displaying the simulation finding to us. Each physical network must be connected to exactly one block, which is known as solver configuration. Next, to get the result of the voltage value and the signal graph, we need to run the simulation and the result will be displayed on the scope. This is our output graph for 10 voltage. This is a volt. For y-axis is voltage, and x-axis is time. Result will be recorded to be included in the report to view the comparison on the signal presented on the graph. The input voltage value will be changed repeatedly to consecutive levels such as 20 volt, 30 volt, 40 volt and 50 volt. This is the final value for voltage output for the simulation result. The voltage output that we got 10 volt will be 9.976 volt, 20 volt 19.95 volt, 30 volt 29.93 volt, 40 volt will be 39.9 volt, 50 volt will be 49.88 volt. That's all from me.
Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mina Jahabinti Nordin and my metric number is DE220090. I would like to present about discussion. So, the result of the simulation for the voltage source of 20 volt, 30 volt, 40 volt and 50 volt with the 4.7 kilo ohm resistor and 47 nanofarad of capacitor. We can see and observe that the graph in the result show a signal that represent the voltage output and time. Based on the result show, we can state that the amplitude increase with largest value of voltage, while the wavelength almost consistent at 10 volt, 20 volt and 30 volt, but it getting wider when the value of voltage 40 volt and 50 volt. That's all for me. Thank you.
In conclusion, students must utilize a MATLAB simulator to complete this project Lab4 exercise, which the primary goal of this project is to fully understand the MATLAB simulating programming. To have a result for this project, we must connect the display element and the scope in order to broadcast the SC graph signal of Vout through the PS simulating converter. And the simulation must then be conducted in order to obtain the voltage value and the signal graph results, which will then be shown in the scope. And the explanation of time dependency of point in the surrounding space by a function such as parametric curve is what known as a dynamical system is in mathematics. And that is all from group number 7. Thank you.